What if I told you that you could completely transform your legs, get them stronger, leaner, and more defined, without even moving? It might sound impossible, but it's true. Most people believe that building strong legs requires endless squats or lunges until you can barely walk the next day. But the reality is that there's another way, one that's gentler on the joints, requires no equipment, and can be done anywhere. Today I'm going to share 6 powerful isometric exercises that will target your entire lower body. Done correctly and consistently, they can reshape your legs no matter your age or fitness level. Before we start, drop a comment below with your name and where you're watching from. I'd love to know. Exercise 6, horse stance. If you've ever seen a statue of a samurai or martial artist holding a low, wide stance, that's the horse stance. This ancient exercise is a full lower body workout in a single position. To perform it, stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Turn toes outward about 30 degrees. Slowly squat down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep knees aligned with toes and core tight. Your quadriceps, adductors, and glutes will all fire at once to hold you in position. Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds for 3 sets, resting for a minute between them. With practice, aim for 1 to 2 minutes. If your legs start to shake, perfect. That means you're pushing your muscles to grow. Exercise 5, static lunge. The static lunge is a killer for your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, and it also corrects strength imbalances between legs. Here's how. Step one leg forward and lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Keep your front knee stacked over the ankle and back knee hovering just above the floor. Hold your torso upright with your core engaged. Avoid leaning forward or letting your front knee cave inward. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds per leg, then build up to 60 to 90 seconds. For an extra challenge, raise your arms overhead to engage your stabilizers even more. Exercise 4, static glute bridge. If you want rounder, firmer glutes, this is your move. Many people spend too much time sitting, which leads to sleeping glutes. This exercise wakes them up. To do it, lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips until you form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard and hold. Don't let your lower back do the work. Keep the tension in your glutes the entire time. Start with 30 to 45 seconds and work up to 60 to 90 seconds. For an advanced variation, lift one leg straight while holding the bridge with the other leg. Exercise 3, single leg drop squat hold. This one challenges strength, balance, and coordination all at once. Here's how to do it. Stand on one leg, raise the other slightly behind you. Hinge forward at the hips while keeping your spine neutral. Lower until your supporting thigh is parallel to the floor. Hold this position and keep your knee tracking over your toes. This is tricky at first, so use a chair or wall for balance until you improve. Start with 15 to 20 seconds per leg and work your way to 30 to 45 seconds. The payoff is incredible definition in the thighs and glutes. Exercise 2, isometric calf. Raised calves are often neglected, but they are crucial for athletic performance and leg aesthetics. How to perform. Stand with feet hip width apart. Rise onto the balls of your feet as high as possible and hold. Keep weight evenly distributed across all toes. Start with 4 sets of 30 to 45 seconds, then progress to 60 to 90 seconds. For a tougher version, do it on one leg or with your feet on an elevated surface for a greater stretch. Exercise the wall sit, also called the invisible chair, what is one of the most effective isometric leg exercises ever. Do it like this. Lean your back against a wall, feet about 12 to 24 inches forward. Slide down until thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold this position with your back flat against the wall and knees over ankles. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds and work up to 2 minutes per set. To make it harder, hold a weight in your lap or try the single leg wall sit. Deep breathing will help you fight through the quad burn. Why these exercises work. The beauty of isometrics is that they build strength and endurance without impact. They protect your joints, improve stability, and can be done anywhere. At home, at work, or while traveling. No excuses. Thanks for watching, my friend. Stay consistent, stay strong, and God bless you.